Hi guys, myself Praveen Raut. Currently I'm in my final year of IEEE program. I have converted my degree from MMS BTech to Masters in Electrical Engineering Department with specialization of microelectronics. I started considering converting into IDDP in my second year when I was doing my minor. There I got interested in couple of courses on semiconductor devices physics, and subsequently I done project with professor from electrical department in my second year summer. So I was really enjoying my coursework in minor, as well as my project related to semiconductor devices. So I decided that this is something I really want to explore, and thought of converting into IEEE, where I can use my knowledge of MAMS, and I believe that most of the fruitful research occurs at the boundaries of multiple disciplines. Before considering for IEEE, I was more inclined to go for PhD, but since PhD demands 4 to 5 years of your investment, so one should be very clear about going after it. So I wanted to give myself a time and make sure that I really wanted to go for it. So doing master was a reasonable thing if you want to explore the topic of your interest and get idea about the kind of research that happen in that particular field. The E department at IIT Bombay comes under top 60 universities in the world, so I haven't thought of going for MS abroad. Okay, so the main advantage of IEEE is that you get a chance to explore two different department in terms of coursework and research perspective. So that really gives a deep idea about the kind of things happen in both the departments. You get a knowledge of interdisciplinary field, so that is always helpful for your job as well as higher studies, and if you want to go for startup as well. Uh, Regarding the familiarities with respect to targeted department before applying, uh, there are no such hard boundaries on number of courses that you should complete before applying for IEEE, but it is always recommended that you should have completed some of the couple of courses in that department, because that will give the idea about the curriculum in that particular department. And if you have done particular project, it's always good because it will give you idea about the kind of research that happens uh, in targeted department, as well as the kind of or the amount of efforts the department expect from its student. I was quite clear about the topic or the domain in which I wanted to do my DDP. Uh, and in my third year internship, I got a chance to do some computational work on the semiconductor materials. So I wanted to take that forward, and I try to match it with the research areas of different professor, and I got the perfect combination for my interest with the kind of research that professor do in Professor Pradeep Nair's group. So that was pretty easy for me. So in nutshell, try to match your interest with professor's area. Speaking about taking honors or not, so I was not very ambitious about completing number of courses to get an extra degree of honors. I just wanted to take a courses that I am interested in, and haven't thought about going for honors as such. So far, I'm doing good in my DDP. My professor is helpful and very supportive. Due to COVID-19, there is not much of peer-to-peer interaction that I was expecting before. But apart from that, I got to learn new things and explore quite different topics, and I think that will really help me in the long run. Finally, if you think that you are interested in particular department, then you yourself a chance. Try exploring different things in that department by taking courses and doing project in first couple of years at IITB. So with that, best of luck and take care.